Hello, and welcome to 2-Minute Artist Support Talks with Michael Carini. Today I'm going to talk to you about brush care. So, one of the things I commonly hear from artists is that brushes are so expensive, yet people are not taking care of their brushes. So, I'm going to give you a couple really quick, simple tips to prolong the life of your brushes so that those good quality brushes can last forever and you can invest in better brushes that you will love. So, think of your brushes as hair, just like on your head. So when you're not using your brush, make sure that it is in the water. Make sure that you get any residual paint out of it as quickly as you can so it doesn't dry on your bristles. You also want to try to avoid getting paint in the ferrule, this part of the paintbrush. That can certainly damage it. Now, stuff happens, there are aggressive painting techniques, and sometimes you just can't control what happens. Like maybe you drop a brush, something gets frayed. Maybe you have a piece that you varnish, and that varnish is so hard to get out, sometimes it gets in, and your brush gets really stiff. So what you can do, boil some water, dip your brush in for just a couple seconds. It will reset your brushes. Brushes that you think are absolutely gone, dead, beyond repair, you can repair. You can even do that with warm water. The other thing you can do, shampoo and conditioner are miracle workers. Shampoo, condition, just like for your hair, try it with your brush. You can take a paper towel, you can try to reshape your brush, and you can bring a brush that appears like it is well beyond dead back to life. So take care of your brushes and they will last forever. The other thing is if you invest in good quality brushes, they could last longer. So with these tips, you might just be set. Let me know what you think. Check out all my other art support talks, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.